I don't fry eggs in oil anymore. Now I fry them in water. That's right, in water. If you still use oil to fry eggs, you'll stop doing that once you watch this video. I'll teach you a much easier, cleaner, and especially more cost-effective way, all using water. It's very practical, healthier, and you won't need to use oil anymore. To do this, put half a cup of water in a pan. Regular water at room temperature. Turn on medium heat and wait for the water to start boiling. In the meantime, let me show you an extra tip. Do you know how to tell if an egg is bad? It's very easy. You'll use your phone's flashlight. Bring the egg close to the flashlight and observe the color it turns. If the egg appears orange, it means it's good. If it has a dark color, the egg is definitely bad. This method is much more effective than the water method, which can sometimes give us inaccurate results. Look, the water has started boiling. Now let's use vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, but you can use whatever you have at home. Add a tablespoon of vinegar and then mix it well. Once that's done, add salt. Add a small spoonful and mix one last time. Then you can add the egg. After that, just cover it. If you prefer a softer yolk, you can leave it for 3 minutes. If you like the yolk a bit firmer, leave it for 5. As everyone knows, eggs are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Frying eggs this way allows you to enjoy all their benefits without adding calories, cholesterol, and other undesirable substances from oil. After the time has passed, our egg is ready. Look at this. Did you know you could fry an egg in water? I recently discovered this, and since then, I've been doing it this way. No mess, healthier, and especially more economical. Try it at home. You'll surely like it. What do you think of this tip? Much healthier, much easier, and without a drop of oil. After my brother went to a nutritionist and he taught him this, we always do it at home. Eggs contribute to increasing muscle mass, aid in memory and concentration, and assist in weight loss. Some people even follow the egg diet. They improve the immune system, help reduce bad cholesterol, and increase good cholesterol. Combat anemia, prevent premature aging, maintain bone and dental health. This food is wonderful. If you like this video, tell me below. I love eggs. So that's it, today's tip. Take care and see you in the next video.